Sweden, a Nordic nation with thousands of coastal islands and inland lakes, along with vast boreal forests and glaciated mountains, epitomizes the charm of Scandinavia. Welcome to my channel, and today we'll embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of Sweden's timeless allure. We'll delve into its rich history, its innovative spirit, its deep connection to nature, and the values that have made it one of the most admired nations in the world. Join me as we uncover the essence of Sweden and discover why this remarkable country continues to captivate hearts and minds around the globe. Sweden, officially, the Kingdom of Sweden, is a Nordic country in northern Europe with thousands of coastal islands and inland lakes, along with vast boreal forests and glaciated mountains. The 19th most extensive exclusive economic zone on Earth surrounds the country. Sweden is famed for its breathtaking natural beauty, which includes not only stunning scenery, but also pristine lakes and abundant wildlife. However, it is more than just picturesque landscapes that have earned it this acclaim. Sweden has long been recognized as a trailblazer in various fields, from its pioneering work in renewable energy to its commitment to gender equality and social welfare. But what exactly makes Sweden so admired by the rest of the world? To answer this question, we must delve into the heart and soul of this Nordic nation. First and foremost, Sweden's commitment to sustainability is truly remarkable, with a focus on renewable energy sources, energy efficiency, and environmental protection. Sweden has set a shining example for other countries to follow. As one of the world's leaders in combating climate change, Sweden understands the importance of preserving its natural heritage for future generations. Through its breathtaking landscapes, including dense forests, sparkling lakes, and rugged coastlines, Sweden has forged a profound connection with nature. The Swedish people have a deep respect for the environment, which is evident in their everyday lives. Whether it's recycling, conserving water, or reducing waste, Swedes are mindful of the impact their actions have on the planet. This dedication to environmental stewardship ensures that Sweden remains a haven of unspoiled natural beauty, captivating visitors from around the globe. Equally impressive is Sweden's unwavering commitment to social welfare. By investing in public services, promoting gender equality, and ensuring equal access to education and healthcare, Sweden has created a society where every individual is valued and respected. Social mobility, gender equality, and social justice are cornerstones of Swedish society, making it a beacon of hope for those seeking a fairer world. Moreover, Sweden's commitment to human rights and democracy is steadfast. By upholding freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, and the rule of law, Sweden has become a symbol of democracy in action. Its government is accountable to the people, and citizens are empowered to participate actively in shaping their society. This commitment to democracy and human rights has not gone unnoticed, as Sweden is often praised for its progressive and inclusive policies. Another aspect that has earned Sweden worldwide admiration is its strong economy. Despite its small population, Sweden has managed to become one of the wealthiest countries in the world. With a thriving tech sector, a focus on innovation, and a highly skilled workforce, Sweden has positioned itself as a hub of economic activity. Its success in areas such as telecommunications, renewable energy, and life sciences has contributed significantly to its economic growth, providing jobs, prosperity, and a high standard of living for its citizens. Sweden's commitment to education is equally commendable. By investing in early childhood education, providing free higher education, and promoting lifelong learning, Sweden has cultivated a highly skilled and knowledgeable populace. Its educational institutions are renowned for their quality, and Swedish students consistently rank among the top performers in international assessments. This emphasis on education has not only equipped individuals with the skills they need to succeed, but has also contributed to Sweden's reputation as a global leader in various fields. To fully comprehend what makes Sweden so remarkable, it is essential to explore its unique approach to healthcare. Sweden's commitment to providing accessible high-quality healthcare for all has resulted in a system that is the envy of many nations. By prioritizing preventative care, investing in medical research, and ensuring universal health coverage, Sweden has created a society where healthcare is not a privilege, but a fundamental right. This dedication to healthcare not only improves the well-being of its citizens, but also enhances their overall quality of life, contributing to Sweden's reputation as a nation that truly cares for its people. Furthermore, Sweden's rich cultural heritage is another testament to its greatness. From its world-renowned museums and art galleries to its vibrant music and theater scene, Sweden offers a cultural landscape that is both diverse and captivating. Its contributions to music, literature, and design have left an indelible mark on the world stage, and its cultural vibrancy continues to inspire and amaze. Whether it's exploring the historic streets of Stockholm or immersing oneself in the contemporary art scene of Gothenburg, Sweden provides a cultural feast for those who seek it. Yet perhaps one of the most defining aspects of Sweden that has captured the world's attention is its embrace of innovation. Sweden has long been a hotbed of creativity and ingenuity, fostering an environment where new ideas can thrive. Its spirit of entrepreneurship, coupled with a commitment to research and development, has led to groundbreaking advancements in various sectors. From electric vehicles to renewable energy solutions, Swedish innovation continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. This dedication to progress has not only propelled Sweden into the ranks of global leaders, but has also inspired other nations to embrace innovation as a driver of positive change. As we conclude our exploration of what makes Sweden so admirable, it is evident that this Nordic nation has captured the world's attention through its exceptional achievements in various spheres, from its commitment to sustainability, social welfare, and human rights to its strong economy, quality education, and healthcare system. Sweden stands as a shining example for other countries to emulate. Its rich cultural heritage and spirit of innovation further contribute to its allure, making it a nation that captivates the hearts and minds of people worldwide. However, amidst these extraordinary accomplishments, it is important to acknowledge that no nation is without its challenges. Sweden, too, faces its share of issues, such as income inequality, housing affordability, and integration challenges. Nonetheless, the Swedish people's unwavering commitment to dialogue, compromise, and finding common ground enables them to address these challenges head-on and forge a better path forward. In conclusion, Sweden's greatness lies not only in its stunning landscapes, robust economy, or commitment to social welfare, but in the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, nature and technology, and individual freedom and societal responsibility. Sweden has evolved into a true gem of Northern Europe, captivating the world with its timeless allure and inspiring other nations to strive for excellence. As we reflect on Sweden's journey, let us take inspiration from its unwavering pursuit of progress, its deep connection to nature, and its commitment to creating a better world for generations to come. For in many ways, Sweden has shown us what is possible when a nation embraces innovation, prioritizes the well-being of its people, and never loses sight of its values. What do you admire most about Sweden? Share your thoughts below. We would love to hear your perspective. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting realm of Sweden. If you found this video informative and enjoyed our exploration of this Nordic nation, we invite you to give us a thumbs up to show your appreciation. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We have many more captivating journeys planned for you. Thanks once again for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty of our world.